got the microphone too, dude. You probably heard it. That's why you come out here.
Smell it on somebody. I smell it. I smell the beer. Shoot! Where's it at? It's in here somewhere. Shoot! You want some?
No.
No, why not?
Because I have things to do.
Like what?
Work.
What do you mean work?
I don't work on my vehicles while I'm drunk.
Well, that's the only way I can fix cars.
Oh.
I don't understand.
Well, that's why I get paid cash and you don't.
What are you gonna do with cash?
Buy stuff.
Like what?
Correct car parts.
Why would you do that when you could just get paid with beer? You're speaking some other kind of language.
I'm speaking truth.
The truth.
The truth.
Shit. Man. People like you are the reason why nobody can trust mechanics. You always trying to get cash. This fucking guy. Hey, I got a joke for you.
What's that?
What do you call an alligator wearing a vest?
I don't know.
An investigator. How many beers did that cost me? Just one. Y'all doing a great job. Keep up the good work.
Hey!
What?
What you doing back here?
Drinking a beer. What are you doing?
Trying to work.
Go get out of my house.
Go home, Dale. Go back to your garage.
But I don't wanna. I'm lonely.
Some people's children. It's sad.
He's got a cooler. I wonder if he's got beer in that cooler. Hell. Woo! Oh, I want to hear it. Come on, America. I wanted to hear the horn.
Dale, get out of the way, man. If you're gonna be here, do something.
Got any beer?
No, you've already drank all the beer, Dale.
There's no way.
You've drank all the beer, and you ain't getting no more until you fix something. But not here. Go home.
Lonely.
Come on, man. You're right in front of my home. Is this how you
Dale, get out of here.
Fine, I'll go home. Back to my old lady. She lost her teeth. Nuisance. Who needs you?